Exploring the roots of human civilization, we delve into the Sumerian society that flourished in Mesopotamia thousands of years ago, laying the foundations for modern culture and innovation. As we journey deeper into this fascinating era, we uncover the agricultural innovations that allowed the Sumerians to thrive, transforming arid land into fertile fields through irrigation techniques. In the shadows of time, expert archaeologists unearth treasures that tell the story of the Sumerians' complex society from their art to their trade, each piece offering a glimpse into their thriving culture. Towering over the landscape, the ziggurats served not only as temples, but also as the heart of Sumerian spiritual life, where rituals and ceremonies connected the people to their deities. The bustling markets of Sumer were alive with commerce, showcasing a society that thrived on trade and innovation, driving knowledge further into fields like astronomy and mathematics, defending their city-states with valor. Sumerian warriors exemplified the military prowess that safeguarded their achievements, while scribes played a crucial role in documenting history and administration.